Hey, did you know that in 2026, millions of people across the US, UK, and Australia are struggling with credit card debt more than ever before? Some people are even missing payments and don't know what to do. If you've ever felt stressed about a credit card bill or wondered how people end up trapped in debt, this video is for you. Stick around because we are going to break down exactly what's happening and how you can avoid this mess. So what's credit card debt and delinquency anyway? Think of it like this. A credit card is basically a loan that you carry around in your pocket. You swipe it, buy something, and then you're supposed to pay it back. But here's the problem, lots of people aren't paying it back. And it's becoming a huge issue in 2026. When you don't pay your credit card bill on time, that's called a delinquency, and it ruins your credit score. This matters to you because if you ever want to buy a car, get a house, or even rent an apartment, your credit score matters. Let's dig deeper. Imagine you borrow £50 from your mate to buy lunch, but you forget to pay him back. A week later, he's asking for it back with interest. Maybe you now owe him £60. That's basically how credit cards work. Except it's worse because the interest rates are crazy high, often 15% to 25% per year. So if you owe £1,000 and don't pay it, you could owe £1,150 just a year later without even spending more money. The longer you wait, the bigger your debt grows. This is why credit card debt is so dangerous. It snowballs super fast. Let me show you a real example. Say you are 18 years old and you get your first credit card with a $2,000 limit. You spend $2,000 on clothes, electronics, and going out. The credit card company says, hey, just pay $50 a month and you're fine. So you pay $50. But here's the trick, most of that $50 goes to interest. Not to actually paying off what you bought. After a year of paying $50 monthly, you might still owe $1,800. After 2 years, you could owe $1,600. That $2,000 purchase could take 5 years to pay off. And you could end up paying $4,000 total because of interest. Here's a massive mistake people make. They think missing one payment is no big deal. Wrong. Miss just one payment and your interest rate jumps from 18% to 25%. Miss 2 payments and your credit score drops by 100 points, that's huge. After 30 days late, it shows up as a delinquency on your credit report and stays there for 7 years. Banks see this and think you're risky, so they won't give you loans for a house or car. Some employers even check credit scores. The key is, never miss a payment. Set up automatic payments from your bank account to avoid this trap entirely. Okay, here's what you can do today, right now, to take control. First, check your credit card statement and write down your balance and interest rate. Second, make a list of all your credit cards if you have more than one. Third, pick one card to attack first, the one with the highest interest rate. Fourth, commit to paying more than the minimum payment. If you can pay $100 instead of $30, do it. That extra $70 goes directly to paying off your debt instead of feeding the interest monster. Start today, even if it's just $20 extra. Small actions create big results. Let me tell you about Sarah from Melbourne. She was 22, had 3 credit cards, and owed £8,000 total. She felt hopeless, but she made a plan. She cut up 2 cards, found a second job for 3 months, and threw every extra dollar at her highest interest card. Within 6 months, she'd paid off 1 card completely. That gave her confidence. Within 18 months, she was debt-free. Now at 24, she's saving for a house deposit because her credit score recovered. The point? You are never too far gone. One action today can change your entire future. Here's a pro tip most people don't know. The balance transfer card. Some credit card companies offer cards with 0% interest for 6 to 12 months if you transfer your balance from another card. This is genius if you can pay off your debt during that interest-free period. For example, if you owe $3,000 at 20% interest and transfer it to a 0% card for 12 months, you save $600 in interest. Every dollar you pay goes straight to the debt instead of lining the bank's pockets. Just remember, after the 0% period ends, the interest kicks back in. So have a payoff plan. Myth busted. I should pay off all my credit cards at once. Wrong. This usually doesn't work because people get overwhelmed and give up. Better strategy, focus on one card at a time. Myth busted. Skipping a payment won't hurt if I pay next month. Wrong. Even if you pay the next month, you've triggered fees and interest increases. Myth busted. My parents' bad credit won't affect me. Wrong. If you're an authorized user on their card, their behavior can hurt your score. Fact. Building good credit takes time, but destroying it takes just one late payment. Protect yourself. Here's what we've learned today. Credit card debt is growing in 2026 because people are charging more than they can afford. Delinquencies happen when you miss payments, and they destroy your credit score for 7 years. The interest rates are so high that your debt grows like a monster if you only pay minimums, but you can take action today. Make a plan. Attack your highest interest card first, and commit to paying more than the minimum. Your future self will thank you. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more money tips every week. Drop a comment telling me, what's your biggest financial worry right now? Next, watch our video on how to build credit from zero. It'll change your life. Thanks for watching, and remember, you've got this.